Why Microsoft's layoff of 9,000 employees is very serious for all the IT employees. What did the Infosys HR said about the working hours? TCS did one good thing as per one of our subscribers comment. We are going to discuss that. And when will be the quarterly results for companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant will be announced. If you are laid off, use AI to manage emotions. This is what an executive producer at Xbox said. We are going to discuss everything in detail in our today's video. Without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The first point that we are going to discuss is regarding Microsoft layoffs. But before moving forward with Microsoft layoffs, let us discuss this one point. The executive producer at Xbox recently mentioned that people who are laid off, they should go to the AI and you can ask them about the emotional clarity and confidence. Now, a lot of people on the internet have been claiming that this is a wrong message that it is given by one of the person who is at the top position at Xbox, which is owned by Microsoft. And especially after Microsoft have laid off 9,000, almost 4% of the global workforce, this is what the Matt Trumbull is telling. Okay, that if you are not feeling well, if you are struggling with imposter syndrome, ask the AI for help and it will give the solution. Now, there is a lot of criticism that is put forward by a lot of people, a lot of netizens on the internet. Okay, you can go and read this post as well. Now, second important thing is that please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I know that this has been a video after a lot of time, and I'm going to plan to make more such informative videos for all of you guys. So please subscribe. Okay. Next thing is from Infosys, which is second Indian IT company, which is one of the biggest IT company, right? So they have started sending emails and messages to employees and stating and giving them warning, okay, that they have to complete 70-hour work week, like which is said by Narayana Murthy. Now they are raising concerns that the employees have to clock in 9 hour 15 minutes every day. Yes, the employees have to prioritize well-being and work-life balance also, but they have to clock in 9.15 hours as well. This is what the HR is telling. Next important update, again, one important request, guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've already not done that. This will help us to make more such informative videos, and the videos will reach out to you as soon as we publish them online. Next thing is coming from Microsoft. Now, as you all know that this has been in the news for the last one whole week, and we did not cover this article, we did not cover this news because we wanted to deep dive into what exactly is happening at Microsoft and other companies, right? So now, with the advent of AI, with the advent of AI tools and a lot of other things, people, or what employees are doing or employers are doing, they want people to use AI to an extent wherein they can optimize, wherein they can reduce the time consumption for writing normal piece of code, right? Remove the boilerplate code, or basically get the boilerplate code written by AI directly and use only focus on the business logic and how you can go and implement the logic and build the application faster, not within weeks but in days. This is what the companies are expecting, right? Now, second important thing is that Microsoft has laid off the middle management. Okay, this is the target. They are targeting a lean management. Okay, so the latest job cuts represent that Microsoft's fourth mass layoff. Okay, within last 18 months, they have already fired 6,000 people. Now they are again firing around 9,000 people. Okay, now they are majorly focusing on gaming companies and sales employees. They are firing these kind of people. Already they have fired a lot of developers who they hired after 2021 hike. Okay, after 2021, after the COVID, there was a very high hiring that was done by Microsoft and other companies like Meta, Facebook, that is a parent company of Meta now, and all of the companies, right? Google also hired a lot of people, Amazon also hired a lot of people, and now they are firing the employees because there is a overhead, right? Now, again, one more thing is that they are going to target people who are at a skill set which can be replaced by AI. Right? If you're a developer, if you don't have debugging skills, if you don't have the right technical skills, if you are not able to use AI to a full extent, then it will be redundant. It can get laid off. That employees can get laid off, right? So this is very important, and this is serious for all the IT companies. If you are working at any company, it can be TCS, it can be Wipro, it can be Capgemini, Infosys, any company. If you're not using AI to the full extent, right? If you're not using Copilot, if you're not using other tools, right? Cursor, there are a lot of there present in the market right now. Anthropic is one of the tools. So if you're not able to leverage that tool, then it will be difficult, right? So that definitely there will be a lot of jobs for AI developers, ML developers, right? ML, machine learning enthusiasts, and like, there will be a lot of scope for data science and AI also. But you need to have debugging skills, because right now what is happening due to the advent of AI, people are simply getting the solutions, but when it comes to debugging the code, they are writing the code with the help of like all these tools and other things, right? Vibe coding and other things. But when it comes to writing piece of code and understanding it and then writing it, will be difficult for people. Okay, so debugging is very important whenever you are doing anything by using AI, right? The next important point is coming from TCS. Why? Because TCS is facing a lot of backslash because of inconsistent quarterly performance bonus, QPB, right? So variable pay, as you all know, that is based on your performance, whether you're coming to office or not. Okay, and these are the issues that the employees are facing right now at the particular company. Hence, employees have reported financial instability, unfair deductions, and growing dissatisfaction. Earlier, TCS was a company that it was a dream company for every fresher, but right now it is not the case. They have not increased the salary. The salary hikes are very low. There are other issues also. You have to come to office 5 days a week. Other companies are offering 3 days a week. That is a hybrid policy, but TCS is not doing that. Okay, so unions have demanded that the reforms, like basically urgent reforms for fair, transparent, and reliable salary structure. There has been a lot of buzz around the TCS Wings plan. Okay, because employees, they study hard, but their compiler gets stuck, or there are some other the other issues. The answer do not match, or a lot of issues, right? So people are not getting the salary hike also, which they deserve, right? In terms of wings, okay, promotions basically, right? So that is an issue. Second important thing that one of our subscribers mentioned is that we created video about what TCS exactly is doing right now, right? You all know that TCS has implemented this 35 days of policy. If you are sitting on bench for more than like 1.5 months, then you will have to leave the company and other things, right? So what the subscriber mentioned in the second image, you can see that it was and it is still need of our. This subscriber is saying that what TCS did is right. Okay, why it is right? Because TCS was like a sarkari sanstha in making. Given the size, it should have been Apple or Microsoft in India. Okay, so I have come across people from the group who were just on roles with them and were in comfort zone. Okay, young talent in comfort zone is very bad. Okay, not good sign for countries like India. Wishing other sectors to come more with innovation to keep the growth wheel running in different times. Okay, so थोड़ा difficult होगा, लेकिन future सही होगा. In other way words, no pain no gain. So this is what our subscriber is saying, and to a certain extent I even agree with this person, to with our subscriber. If you have some different views, do let us know in the comment section. We will happily read through them, and we will try to share it with other audience members also. So a lot of people, I personally have observed, that we're getting into comfort zone because of this policy of TCS, that they will not remove you, they will not fire you, they will not terminate you. Some people were making a good use, they were learning and other things, right? But a lot of people were going in comfort zone, which is a very bad thing, and I agree with this candidate partially. Okay, now second important thing that I wanted to discuss is that the quarterly results of the companies, right? I know that this is going to be a long video, but this will be helpful for you, no doubt. Okay, so now TCS is going to declare the financial results in July 10th. Okay, that is this next in the couple of 2 days. Same thing with HCL Technologies also 14th of July, and Tech Mahindra also 16th of July. So we will get a clarity. We can expect a lot of questions that journalists will be asking during the press release after the quarterly results, and we will understand everything. We will analyze everything. What will be the hiring in the next quarters, in the next particular financial year, and what will be the like breakages of salaries, inconsistent salaries, and these questions will be asked by the journalist to the management of TCS. So we will cover that also. Okay, so make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you have already not done that, then please do it as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day.